I guess we could go ahead and try to see if the Jeep will burn. You know what I think wrong with it? I noticed that choke isn't closed as much as it should be. It may be that when I set that last, I was up here in the, well, it's closed now, man. First I maybe I could readjust that choke. Actually, right about where it should be right now. So. Oh, let's run it a little more. Give me a chance to warm up. Fire got up good once she had gas and all. So I didn't do too much today other than stay inside, make videos, look after my cold. It was a good day to get out and work. I just didn't quite have it in me. But one of the things I do want to do today is start the Jeep. And yesterday when I made a quick video and I could get it to run, but it wouldn't run without me kind of nursing the carburetor. And I was thinking that when I set this all up, it was warm out and hadn't really adjusted the carburetor in the cold. So I adjusted the choke on the carburetor so it's a little bit tighter. I guess that's the right word, tighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if she starts okay. Let me see if there's a place where I can sit y'all where you can watch me. Well, I'll just take you in the car with me. Some people like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to not touch the gas for starters. I'm just going to kick it out of gear, keep my foot on the clutch, and see what happens. I'd say that's nothing. So now I'm going to pump the gas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumps, and then no foot on the gas. That's good.